And who am I? That's not a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.
What's up, you guys? So I am now heading to work. So before that, we are going to have some breakfast. So I'm now with my boyfriend. So as usual, siya yung naghahatid sa akin before going to work. Yan, service ko siya almost every day. And now we decided to have our breakfast and try this Funhan Mart. Lagi naman siya nadadaanan pag papunta akong work dito lang around sa Makati. I love having sponty breakfast dates kahit saan pa yan. So I very appreciate this move. Actually, I'm not a fan of eating noodles or ramen, but you know, sometimes you're going to try it for experience.
Promotional video.
Ano sa'yo dito?
Strawberry. Sige, kahit tagkalado para matikman natin nila. Alam mo, wala naman akong alam sa ganyan. Samahan lang kita.
Mas sinayin ko ng pera.
At saka experience. Ano maging hobby ko yan? Masiyahan.
So after that, diretso work na ako, hinatid niya ako. So yan, this is me during our lunch break. Yan, yung food is prep ni mama. So yan, siya palagi nagluluto ng baon ko every morning.
¿Cómo fue? ¿Cómo fue que me dañaste y te largaste sin decir ningún adiós? Así fue, destrozaste en mi...
Hi guys! So, kakauwi ko lang galing church kaninang AM service. So, yan, natapos siya around almost 1 p.m. And now I'm rushing. I'm fixing my face and doing my makeup because I have some errands today. So, yan, syempre weekend and ang routine natin every weekend is our time to relax. Hi guys! So, I just went home kasi nagpalit lang ako and nag-freshen up, naligo lang. And now, aalis na tayo kasi sabi ko nga kanina I have a ball game at 5:30 na pupuntahan. So, here's my look. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-makeup. Simple lang and then yan. So, ito lang yung eyes natin. Then some shades. Tapos, later, I'm planning to vlog. Ayan lang, sasama ko lang kayo and so kung ano mang ganap natin today.
Healthy.
Oo.
Wala tayong mga pagkain.
Ganda ng outfit mo ngayon, love. Sabi ko sana, kahit mga tayo dito light meal lang. Tapos, after mamaya, yung mga panggabi na restaurant sa bahay. Buti paalala mo sa akin yun. Kasi tulong pa nga. Ako ka na yung t-shirt mo. Flex mo. Yay! Thank you. Lagi ka. Hey guys, pauwi na kami. Success ang plano today.
Uwi na tayo guys. Success ang araw.